Hi, I'm Will, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can gain some efficiencies when using the Cooled Carousel 12 versus a traditional ice bath. Often, chemists want to perform experiments at sub-ambient temperatures. Let's say we want to run an experiment at 0 degrees. The easiest way to achieve this is just to set a system up with a plastic bowl with ice and water. We'll have our thermal imaging camera set up, and we'll be monitoring the internal temperature of the baths using a PT100 connected to our Ava lab control software. From the image on the left, you can see the external temperature of the bowl. It's not insulating at all. Looking at the Ava lab control software, you can see that the temperature of the bath is increasing quite quickly. And that's not ideal if you want to maintain your reaction at 0 degrees for an extended period of time. So what are your other options? The Cooled Carousel 12 Plus simultaneously stirs and cools up to 12 reactions down to -78 degrees. It has powerful and even stirring in each position, and the Cooled Carousel bowl sits on top of a carousel hot plate. The Cooled Carousel bowl is constructed from HDPE with an insulated foam core. It's more effective at maintaining low temperatures than a standard bowl. Let's set up our Cooled Carousel 12. We can also add the lid for extra insulation. Looking at the thermal imaging camera again, we can see the external temperature of the bowl is much closer to room temperature, showing the excellent insulation. Again, we're monitoring the internal temperature of the bath using a PT100 and our Ava lab control software. You can see the temperature is remaining lower for much longer. Here we can see a graph with the plot of the two temperatures. The Cooled Carousel 12 Plus insulated bowl maintains your low temperature for a longer period of time. If you don't need to do 12 reactions at once, our Cool It bowl is available for single flasks. If you want to find out more, you can book a demo with one of our experts by following the link in the YouTube description. Thanks for watching.